Hello, team. Hey, guys. Hello. Nice to see everybody. Hey, people. Good evening, one and all. Hello. The time right now is 10:00 p.m. Hello, guys. Hello, people. Hey. Hello, everybody. So, as soon as you guys are in, perform the ritual which we spoke. Yes, yes, Prince, let's make it happen. As soon as you guys are in, let's perform the ritual. Maintain your counters. Yes, Pooja, very good stuff. Day 7, yes. Thanks for starting with that. Awesome stuff, awesome stuff. Maintain your counters, everybody. We need to tweak our brain. We need to dominate. We need to show that who is in control here. Perform all these rituals. Yes, yes. Come on, everybody. Maintain your counters. Which is your day today? So far, we just got it only from one of the person. Only Pooja specified that it's seventh day for her today. What about the other guys? Come on, hi, hello everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Guys, maintain your counters. Maintain your counters. Which is your day today, guys? Which is your day today? Maintain counters. The time right now is 10:01 p.m. Yes, Ari, I am doing good. Maintain your counters, guys. Maintain your counters. Come on, day 7. Yes, nice stuff, Prince. Day 7 for you as well. So, in our 7th day of formation, Supriya says 6th day. Good, Supriya. I think you're getting more into it. Yes, 6 days, fine. You're getting more into the consistent pattern. Nice enough. Chalo, everybody. Arohi, that's awesome. Day 7, yes, with a bang. That fire says that you have sparked it in yourself. Good stuff, guys. Come on, everybody, throw it. Today, what's the counter? What's the counter? It would tell a target to your brain that tomorrow you need to be even better. Great stuff, Akshay. Good stuff. 7th day for you as well. Now this is really happening. This is really happening. Consistency is the key, guys. Consistency is the key. You need to know that factor. You can achieve anything in life if you're just more consistent. Yes, if you're just more consistent, then you can win every single race that you run in your life. That is the key. Anmol says day 1. Good, Anmol. Happy to see you. Welcome. Welcome to our group. But yes, like I'm telling this right now, everything is about consistency. This knowledge, what I'm speaking, you might find it every Google it, you can figure it out. This is how successful people do. But we are not talking about knowledge sharing as part of this. We are trying to accept it and convert it into results in life. And for that, consistency is the key. Okay, Shank, day 6, 5, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. So I think now, yes, set these targets. Every day you know what day it is, and then you know that okay, tomorrow you have to increment the counter one more level. Have that target to yourself and make it count. It is really going to give you valuable insights. Okay, required, highly required. Now let's get started with our day 7 of life transformation. The first week is ending, guys. Today is the last day of our first week, and we have already seen a lot of consistent people. This is good stuff. This is great stuff. This is amazing. With people taking on responsibility of their life. Very good, very good. Highly appreciated for your commitment. Week 1 is ending, and you know what, guys? The target for week 1 was to give you people the art of staying consistent. That's where we were continuously. Consistency is the key, and then we derived this window every night 10 p.m. at the same time being consistent. Then we went into some inner concepts like what happens is within your brain, why some things are possible, why some things are not possible, what will pull you back. We understood all these things. Why just deciding in one day will not act, because your body and mind will keep pulling you back. We understood all those things in this one week. What more we came across, guys? We even discovered how negativity is going to affect your life, be it you, be it people around you, but negativity will affect you. We discovered those pieces as well, and then we are into this routine of great installing the success affirmations on a daily basis inside us, so that these powerful beliefs, I am powerful, I am strong, I am amazing, I am great, I can do whatever I want, I see opportunities, I convert opportunities into results, I can become whatever I want in life. I am so successful, so happy, so blessed, so satisfied in life. These powerful beliefs about ourselves. Maybe you might be doubting it in the past, but now this is the way to do it, guys. We are starting to feed this on a daily basis, and now we would be understanding today's session is going to be really valuable. I'll not be dragging it, I'll not be stretching it a way long session. It would be precise to the point, but one of the most valuable session which you need to know. Already in bits and pieces we have touched some topics in the past week, but now it's the time where you have to really solidify the need and the understanding of this topic. It needs to get all the drama it deserves, because that is what runs your life on every single day, and that's what creates your reality. Okay, guys, remember, it's a kind of a recap as well for this week. We came across two great topics as part of this first week, guys. If you can remember that, the first one what we discussed was, you are not in your control. Yes, we said, came across that statement. You are not in your control. Whatever you decide very with a very limited portion of the brain, but the other dominant section stays in control, which drives your life. That was one of a topic which we came across. And the second thing, there was a session which we conducted, I think yesterday or a day before, where we said your thoughts create your reality. Okay, now is the time where we bridge this all together as part of the single most valuable thing which you need to understand and implement in life for installing any great kind of a behavior in your life, for becoming grandly successful. This is the thing which you need to install within you people, and today we would be opening that up. The time right now is 10:06, so keep your senses open, guys, because today's day is really going to give you a eye opener for defining what kind of a life you want to live ahead in your future. Today's day is really going to be a day changing. Okay, now let's get started with the topic. Learn new things, feed it every day to yourself, guys. It will change your life to the whole new level. Now what we are talking about, okay, guys, the brain basically contains, okay, the brain, the mind basically contains two important sections. We have already used the term, not officially properly introducing it with you people, but you need to understand that today it contains two dominating sections which runs your life basically. Your brain has these two parts. First is the conscious mind, and the second is the subconscious part of the brain. Okay, now the decisions which you people make, I want to do something good, I want to like maybe start with these 10 p.m. sessions, or I want to do any great thing, maybe reading a new book life or attracting success. That decision whatever you make for doing something big in life, that comes basically by the conscious part of your brain. Okay, and this conscious part, you need to understand one very big important thing about that. This runs only 5% of your life. The conscious part of your brain runs only 5%, and via this mind itself you take all the decisions of life. So whatever new year resolutions which you take, if you are deciding that 10 p.m. you want to come for these life transformation sessions, or if you are deciding that okay, your life has been too much in trouble, now I want to change, I will start reading from tomorrow onwards, I'll start applying new books, and then my life is going to change. All these decisions which you make, guys, happens with your conscious brain only, which is 5% of your life. It runs only 5% of your life, and that is the reason, even though when people decide, they are not able to convert it into result, because the application is only 5%. The remaining dominant portion, the 95% of your life, is driven by the major portion, which is the subconscious part of your brain. Important thing, it is the 95% dominate running machine which is installed in every human being, which runs your life. That runs your life, guys. Science has proved it, that the person, the life which you become